Hello and welcome to today's video. Now we're here and we're back on this channel. And we're doing a lot of food things. That's the plan of this channel. And I figure what I'm going to start today off with something that I made a couple years ago and I started making again recently. So you only need two things. Okay. First thing you're going to need is a bagel. Probably everything bagels. And a ramen noodle package. Okay? Then you're going to get yourself a plate. Alright? Because that's how you're going to put the... So you're going to make your bagel on. The other thing is you got to cook the noodles. Now, one way you do it is, you guys know, take a ramen noodle, you put it in a pan, put it in a pan, and you're done. Put it in the pan, put it on the stove for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But you don't want to do that. You want to use a bowl. There's no bowls left in there. It's going well. So I'm going to grab a bowl out of here, do the next step. Alright, so we got our noodles. Okay. Going to open it up here. And you're going to just put this here into the bowl. Pretty easy. Now normally, when you make ramen noodles, put the little extra noodles that are falling off in the bottom into the bowl, but for this we're not doing that just because this part's all you need. So we put this in water, obviously. So let's do that. It's okay. It's gonna be all okay. Alright, that's in the water here. Lit. Oh no, I spilled water everywhere. That's why I don't use this bowl. Ever. It's okay. So we come over here to the microwave. Put our phone in the microwave, right? Right? Is that what you do? Is that what's cool to do these days? People still microwaving phones? Wasn't that a trend once? Pretty sure it was. I thought it was a thing. We're doing microwaving phones, right? It was in with the kids at once. And there you go. That goes in the microwave for 3 minutes. The side of things, you come over here. That's going to be really loud, I just realized. And let's put this over here. Let's put this right here. Okay, so you come over here, other side of the things. Pretty simple bit. Now, if you're watching this, this is how you make a bagel. Okay? You take the bagel, you open it up, then there's a toaster. Crazy concept. But there's a toaster, and you put it in that, and that's how you eat a bagel. Alright? You put your bagel in the toaster, however long you want to cook for, and you're all good. You're set. You're ready. Just let everything cook, and you're done. Alright, so our bagel has popped up. Alright, we're still using Christmas tree plates, which is super spicy. So I'm just gonna unplug that real quick, but this is what a bagel is supposed to look like when it's cooked, Got the noodles here. So I'm gonna blend the packet in. Flavor packet. Come here. Yes. Oh. Feels bad. There you go. Everything's blended in. Looking very, very nice. Very nice. Now we're just gonna take this. Come on, bruh. And then you can only use one hand because one's gonna be used to record. It's kind of annoying. I have to do this on like the food shows and they're like, hey guys, This is how I make this food, but let me, like, make it really difficult by having to hold my camera the entire time. There you go, look at that. So I'm going to take a bite of it and see how it is. Alright, so, to make it a little bit easier to eat and record, I've gotten down to level with the camera. So let's just take a bite. Now it's a little bit warm. We're going to peep how this works. It's definitely the flavor of the noodle. You notice the most. It's got like the noodle has the chicken flavoring mixed with the bread. It tastes mostly like chicken and bread. It's really good. It tastes like chicken. So I'd say this here, you want a good meal, but you don't spend a lot of money. This right here, pretty spicy, not gonna lie. Not actually spicy flavor-wise, maybe the point. Very, very good to eat. So I'm gonna eat the rest of this now. But I do want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we're back with more of these types of videos on the channel soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.